Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about how World War II revolutionized manufacturing. Let's jump right into it. How World War II revolutionized manufacturing. World War II was one of the most significant turning points in modern history, not only for geopolitics, but also for manufacturing. The war caused a surge in technological innovation, increased production capacities, and led to the development of entirely new industries. Here's a closer look at how World War II fundamentally changed manufacturing and set the stage for modern industrial processes. Mass production and efficiency. Before the war, manufacturing was often localized and relatively small scale. The war effort demanded the production of military equipment on a massive scale, leading to the rise of assembly line techniques. The U.S., for example, rapidly adapted Henry Ford's methods of mass production to build tanks, airplanes, ships, and other military vehicles. Automotive industry transformation. Factories that once produced cars transitioned to making tanks, jeeps, and airplanes. The efficiency developed during this period carried over into the post-war economy, allowing consumer goods to be produced more quickly and affordably. Aircraft and shipbuilding. Entire industries were revolutionized by the demand for war materials. Innovations such as prefabrication in shipbuilding and modular construction in aircraft manufacturing helped meet the intense demands of the war. Women entering the workforce. With many men enlisted in the military, women entered manufacturing roles in unprecedented numbers. The iconic image of Rosie the Riveter symbolized this shift. Women took on jobs in factories that required technical skills and precision, proving that they could excel in fields traditionally dominated by men. This influx of women into the workforce during World War II was not only a societal shift, but also a catalyst for the modernization of workplace practices. Women gained more independence, and their contributions helped reshape gender roles in the workforce permanently. Technological advancements. The war accelerated research and development across many fields, giving rise to innovations that had a long-lasting impact on manufacturing. Precision engineering. The need for high-performance weapons and vehicles led to advancements in precision engineering. Techniques for producing parts with minimal tolerances became more refined, which laid the groundwork for modern manufacturing processes like computer numerical control, CNC machining. Materials science. Wartime shortages of materials such as rubber and aluminum pushed manufacturers to develop alternatives. This led to the growth of synthetic materials like plastics, which would go on to revolutionize manufacturing in the post-war years. Government and corporate collaboration. World War II fostered an unprecedented collaboration between governments and private industries. Governments set up massive contracts with manufacturers, providing them with resources and financial backing to scale up production rapidly. Companies like Boeing, General Motors, and Ford became synonymous with the war effort. This collaboration not only built the foundation for post-war economic growth, but also led to the creation of new industries such as aerospace and electronics, which were nurtured by both private investment and government support. Standardization and interchangeable parts. The war forced a standardization of parts across industries. This was especially important in military vehicles, where broken parts needed to be replaced quickly. The standardization of screws, bolts, and other components became essential for efficient production and repair, a practice that spread to other industries after the war. The development of interchangeable parts for weapons, vehicles, and machinery enabled faster production lines and more efficient repairs, laying the foundation for modern manufacturing systems. The rise of automation. The sheer scale of wartime production demands pushed manufacturers to explore automation. While robots, as we know them today, weren't yet a part of the process, early automation in the form of conveyor belts, punch card-controlled machines, and semi-automated systems became widespread. After the war, this movement towards automation continued to evolve, eventually leading to the development of industrial robots and advanced manufacturing technologies. Shift in global manufacturing power. Before the war, European nations, particularly Britain and Germany, were dominant players in manufacturing. However, the destruction of European factories and infrastructure during the war shifted the balance of manufacturing power to the United States. America emerged from World War as the global leader in manufacturing, benefiting from intact infrastructure and an industrial base that had been expanded during the war. This shift not only helped the U.S. dominate global markets, but also spurred technological advancements that would shape global manufacturing for decades. Conclusion: a legacy that shaped modern industry. World War II's demands pushed manufacturing to new levels of efficiency, innovation, and scale. From mass production techniques and material innovations to the integration of women into the workforce and global shifts in manufacturing power, the war's influence on the industry cannot be overstated. Many of the advancements made during this time laid the foundation for today's highly automated, globalized, and technologically advanced manufacturing landscape. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.